Intriguing question. What would it take to build a home on Mars? And what would life be like for the first humans to live there? Join us as we explore the incredible journey of Mars Base Alpha, a pioneering mission to establish a permanent human presence on the Red Planet. Personal connection. Imagine waking up to the sight of the Martian landscape every morning. What would it be like to live on another planet, to breathe the thin air of Mars, and to explore its breathtaking canyons and dunes? This video takes you inside the reality of Mars Base Alpha, giving you a glimpse into the lives of those who dared to dream of a new home. The dawn of Martian civilization. The dream of Mars, a journey through the history of Martian exploration and the driving force behind establishing a permanent base. The challenges ahead, examining the harsh Martian environment and the scientific and engineering hurdles that needed to be overcome. The selection of the site, exploring the reasons for choosing the location of Mars Base Alpha, including its proximity to resources and favorable conditions, building the foundation, laying the groundwork, a visual journey showcasing the construction of the first modules, habitats, and essential infrastructure of the base. The first arrivals, introducing the pioneering crew members of Mars Base Alpha, their backgrounds, motivations, and the skills they bring to the mission. Establishing the base, demonstrating how the base gradually transformed into a self-sustaining ecosystem with resource extraction, food production, and waste recycling systems. Life on the Red Planet. The daily routine, a glimpse into the daily life of the Martian colonists, their work, recreation, and the challenges of living in a confined environment. Technological advancements, highlighting the innovations and inventions that have made life on Mars possible, including advancements in 3D printing, robotics, and renewable energy. Scientific discoveries, exploring the scientific research conducted at Mars Base Alpha, including studies on Martian geology, atmosphere, and the potential for life. Facing the unknown. The unexpected challenges, discussing the unforeseen obstacles and setbacks faced by the colonists, such as equipment malfunctions, health issues, and psychological stress. Adapting and overcoming, illustrating how the colonists have adapted to these challenges, drawing on their ingenuity, teamwork, and resilience to overcome adversity. The future of Mars Base Alpha, projecting the future development of the base, including potential expansion, new technologies, and the possibility of welcoming new colonists from Earth. A new chapter in human history, the impact on Earth, exploring the scientific and technological advancements made on Mars and their potential applications on Earth. The inspiration for future generations, illustrating how the success of Mars Base Alpha could inspire future generations to explore space and push the boundaries of human knowledge. The legacy of Mars Base Alpha, contemplating the lasting impact of this human endeavor on the course of human history and our understanding of the universe.